Hey, Squeegee, you want to move so Mommy can open this? You want to see what's inside? Mommy wants to see what's inside. Come on. Good boy. Oh, look how cute. There's puppies, kitties, teddy bears. Looks like pots of honey, eggs with toast, sugar, tea, milk, flowers, like a kitchen theme. Oh, look at the honey bear. That's so cute. Oh. So I assume that everyone who subscribes to the Cute Pack received these stickers this month. We're trying to pull out our little honey bear sticker so we can take a closer look at it. Normally it's like a puffy sticker. This doesn't have much texture to it, but it is super cute. These little stickers are made to actually decorate your packet, and you can put these in a binder. That's why there's the 6-hole punch there. So the theme is milk and honey this month. And here's our little memo pad. It's very cute. I wonder why the bee is sad. Sad little bee. Alright, we're getting ready to take a look at all of the stickers inside here. Maybe if I can pull them out. Ooh, glittery. When it was inside the envelope, I couldn't tell that it was glittery. That's really pretty and cute. What do we have here? It looks like little cows that are dressed up as bumblebees. That's very cute. A black and white set of cow stickers. A few brown cows too, but mostly black and white. Some nice larger stickers. Looks like jars of honey, some cups of tea, obviously with honey, which is delicious and also feels really good if you have a sore throat. Some little cartons of milk. Very cute. Some cute little bumblebee stickers. I like the one where it says "Be Mine." Oh, there's a birthday one. My birthday is actually on Monday. Some back to school style stickers. Very cute. I think this one accidentally slid out here. We haven't looked at it yet. Some cartons of milk, honey, kind of fitting the whole milk and honey theme. Some of them have a foil that very, very lightly catches the light in here. Pulling out our next set of stickers, maybe. We have some bears with cute little bows and some flowers. Oh, they sent me a birthday card. Happy birthday. Aw, I don't know that, or possibly because it's a bee theme, everyone could have got this, I guess, but it actually is my birthday in a couple of days. That's very cute.